So the goal of this is to provide air conditioning for our little pop-up trailer tent. And there was some speculation saying that a 1,000 watt generator wouldn't operate an air conditioner. So what I have to test is a Zenith 5,000 BTU air conditioning unit. It claims to draw 4.8 amps on startup. However, when I amp clamped it, it was more like 4, so that's encouraging. And what we're going to do is we're going to set the generator up, hooked up to a 100-foot extension cord. And we've got a voltmeter to look at voltage drop when we start the air conditioning compressor. So we'll get that set up here and give it a whirl. First thing we do, this unit is brand new. Take and open this up. We've got to put some oil in it. This just pops right off. Alright, so one thing they don't make real clear in the instructions, there's a little piece on the bottom, it's made out of rubber, that you can pull out. It's a friction fit. And it fits over the oil spigot so that you can help from making a big mess when you fill it up with oil. However, it's inevitable you're going to drip some oil, so I found that if I took a old coffee can lid and put it underneath the unit when I was filling it up with oil, it kind of helped the garage floor from getting covered with oil. Operation of the unit is very simple. You turn the gas on, and then you open up the air vents so the fuel can flow out of the gas tank. Turn the economy off, turn the switch for the motor on, and pull the starter. Now, since I had already started this, I didn't pull the choke. Rest of the controls, there's a circuit breaker reset, but if it does overload the AC, you have to shut the unit completely down and then restart it again. So we've got the generator running around the corner. Really cool thing is we don't even hear it. Let's plug in and take a look at the voltage from the generator. And at the end of a 100-foot extension cord, if I can get a good connection here, 122.4 volts. Alright, let's fire up the fan. The compressor's off. Turning on the fan. It appears we've got a voltage drop of about a half a volt. Now we'll go ahead and turn on the air conditioner. And by the way, the generator is set on economy mode, so this is a pretty stressful test for a 1,000 watt generator. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on the compressor. And we did get an initial extreme voltage drop down to about 50 volts. Compressor's running, got cool air coming out. And we're running at about 119 volts. I'll let this run for a minute just to make sure the generator didn't go into overload and shut down. Let's take a walk out and take a look at the generator. Alright, I think we have success. We have air conditioning and